Beware of these Amazon FBA myths. Over the years, several myths have emerged about Amazon FBA. These just confuse new FBA sellers and you need to ignore them. A lot of these myths originate from people that have never been involved with Amazon FBA. In this article we will reveal 4 myths about Amazon FBA that you definitely need to ignore. 1. Only lucky people make it as successful FBA sellers. This is probably the most common myth out there about Amazon FBA. A lot of people seem to believe that they need to be lucky to make it with FBA selling, and it puts a lot of people off from getting started. When it comes to being successful with Amazon FBA, luck has very little to do with it. What will make you successful with FBA is sourcing the right products that there is a high demand for. You need to find reliable and trustworthy suppliers that will not let you down. Do your homework and make sure that any product you are thinking of selling has the potential to provide you with a good level of profit. You need to create enticing listings for all of the products that you list on Amazon. Create engaging images of your products and add benefits to your descriptions. Do keyword research and add your main target keywords to your listings. This has nothing to do with luck and everything to do with hard work. 2. After a few days you can make thousands. While this might happen very rarely, it is pretty unlikely that you are going to earn thousands with Amazon FBA in just a few days. To make sales you need to get your products in front of Amazon shoppers that want to buy them. You can use the PC ads from Amazon to make your initial sales, and we recommend that you consider this. They are cost-effective and work pretty well. It is going to take you time to build up the sales volume and the number of reviews to rank well in Amazon for your products. So, think months rather than days to make good profits. 3. Successful FBA sellers create their own products. We are not sure where this one came from and why it is such a popular myth, but it is certainly out there. Maybe people believe that you have to create your own profits to be able to make any kind of profit on Amazon. This is definitely not the case. There are a number of successful FBA sellers that have never created a product in their life. They source products from others and are very good at doing this. Finding the right products that are in demand and not too competitive is the key to success here. 4. Amazon FBA is passive income. If you really want to be truly successful with Amazon FBA, it will always involve some work on your part. Okay, Amazon can sell your products while you are sleeping, so in a way this is passive income. But to get the best results you need to manage your inventory carefully and promote your products as much as possible. This is not true passive income because there is work involved. Amazon FBA is not a set-it-and-forget-it system and never will be.
Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for awesome health videos. Also click the link below to learn more, and please share this video with your friends. They will thank you for sharing it.